Welcome back, dear ones. Wow, this is series 4 of 8, which means we are halfway there. But first, I hope this is aiding you guys in staying fit and lean during this quarantine, and that you guys are all staying safe, happy, and healthy. All right, so let's get to it. First warm-up, push-ups. We're doing 10 reps. If you need a little assistance, go ahead and put those knees on the ground. Okay, and we're starting in. Now we have our second warm-up, shoulder rotation. Now, if you don't have dumbbells, remember you can grab anything out of your pantry, from bottles of wine to lotion bottles, anything that has a bit of weight. Your arms are going to be in a 90-degree angle. Go ahead and look at the demonstration in the video. And you are rotating your shoulder forward and back up towards the ceiling. 10 reps, starting now. Beautiful. Now we have our third warm-up, which is bent over row. I want you to start by standing straight, then bend at your waist. I want the back to remain flat, which means you're not hunching and you don't have any roundness in your back. What you can do is make sure you extend your hips outward, and that will keep your back flat. Note, this is something you should not feel in your lower back, so keep your tummy tight, which is your core. Go ahead and start extending your arms at a slight angle down to the ground and pull in. When you're pulling up, act as if you're trying to make your elbows touch the ceiling, and keep your elbows close to the body. You don't want them fanning out to the side. Countdown starts now. All right, Team Quarantine. I just made that up. You have 1 down, 3 more to go. So you know the drills. Pause this video, complete your other 3 cycles, and return for the workout. Welcome back. So how are we feeling? Let's move on ahead. We have 4 different exercises, 4 times around. First exercise is curl into press, traditional bicep curls. Once you curl the arm up, then you'll be pressing up to the ceiling, which is a front shoulder press, getting more of the anterior delt, which is the front part of your shoulders, pulling that back down to your waist, and then return by extending the arm straight. Countdown starts now. Second exercise, we have single arm dumbbell row. This time you'll be using a chair, maybe the hearth that's in front of the fireplace, or a bench of some sort. That way we can balance, it helps assist with your core, and you'll be doing each arm individually. I want 12 reps. Backs flat, Countdown starts now. Third exercise, shoulder external rotation. Now we won't be using cables, we'll be using dumbbells, or again, a can of soup, bottle of wine, lotion, etc. Arms are bent in a 90-degree angle in front of you. You'll be opening up the arms, pivoting out to the sides, and then returning right back to the front of you. We'll be doing 12 reps. Countdown starts now. This exercise may be last, but it certainly isn't least. Exercise number 4, face pulls. Won't be using a cable, but we will be using a resistance band. So each arm will be individual, 12 reps each, extending the arm forward and pull back, open and rotate. It's called a face pull, so the hand should be by your face. Not too high, not too low. Almost a 90-degree angle when you're pulling back. All right, let's get it. Countdown starts now. Now to make sure we're keeping the intensity up, I have a surprise for you. A bonus set, 2 sets of push-ups back to back, 10 reps, 10-second break in between. Let's get it. I don't know about you, but those last 4, ugh. But I am proud of you. So go ahead and pause this video or replay and repeat cycles 2, 3, and 4. That's correct, you owe me 3 more. Don't forget video 5 of 8 coming soon.